Hello, today we are going to look at what is DHCP. So DHCP stands for Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol that automatically assign IP address, subnet mask, default gateway, DNS server to network devices. Rather, assigning IP manually to the network devices, it automatically assigns it. So let's see it in action. So let me remove this first. First of all, I will get a router that will serve as a server, then a switch and PCs. 1 2 3 4. You can take as much PC as you want. Now connect them using the cable. Remember the interface of this, so it is giga 0/0. First of all, we will know this. Enable. It is enter the privilege mode. Now we will enter the global configuration mode, so config terminal. Now we will configure router interface, so select the interface giga ethernet 0/0. This select the interface. Now assign the IP address. I will give it in class C 168.1.1. Subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. Then no shutdown and exit the interface. Now we will exclude the IP addresses. IP DHCP excluded address. This address is reserved for gateways, printers or servers. So we will 192.168.1.1 from 1.1 to, let's suppose 1.10. 168.1.10. So these IP will be excluded or reserved for our servers, gateways and printers, etc. Now we will create a pool. So IP DHCP pool, let me name it maybe LAN 1. You can name it whatever you want. Now we will define a network to it. We will give in class C 192.168.1.0. The subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. Now we will give a default gateway to this to out the traffic to the different network. So default router 192.168.1.1. Now we will give a DNS server to it. So we have successfully do our DHCP and configure the DHCP on the server. Now we will hit this PC desktop IP configuration DHCP. So it says that DHCP request successful. You notice that it gets from 1.11 because we have excluded from 1.1 to 1.10. So it will get from 1.11. Similarly, this will get to 1.12. This will get 13. This will be 40. Now you can see the DHCP binding as well. So push exit this, exit, and I show IP DHCP binding. So it shows the binding 1.11 to the first PC, 12 to the second, 13 to the third, 14 to the fourth, and it is automatically assigned. We can also give a lease, but it's not important for how many times you can give it, just say that. So hopefully you have understand this. Thank you for watching.